What are you doing? What are you doing? All right, I just fired it up. That one's firing. That one's not. One's firing. That one's definitely firing. That one's definitely firing. Okay, first one on that side is cold. Looks like the second one back on this side. Yep. Alrighty, so get this thing turned off again. All right. So I need to be on the lookout for the second one on this side and the first one on that side. So that would be number 3 and number 2. Number 3 and number 2 just aren't kicking off. So that's awesome. Well, now I guess I'm going to get it up on jack stands so I can get this gas tank or this fuel tank pulled. We'll get it up on the stands, get the tank out of it, get that cleaned up, get it back in it, start the tune-up process. I'll change the oil as soon as I get it up on jack stand since I just ran it. I'll drain the oil so we can get fresh oil in it, and we'll go from there. There. Shit. Alrighty, there we go. We got her up on jack stands. Always check them. When you get the first 2 stands in, I like to check. You know, give her a good shake. When I get the next 2 stands up, I set her down and I give her another good shake. Just want to make sure she's up there. She ain't gonna fall on you. Alright, let's get a light and take a look at that gas tank. Alrighty, we got our light ready. Let's come over here and get some stuff. PB blaster, that always works good. Let's see, I got lots of this. WD-40 Specialist Rust Release. Let's check that out. Let's see what's up with that. That's some good stuff too. Yeah, let's go with the WD. What are you two doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What about you? What are you doing? Alright, let's get these sprayed. I'm gonna have to do some sweeping under here. Alright. Well, that's gonna be a fun tank to pull. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's the fuel tank right there. So I am going to have to pull this spare tire well. And then, oh my gosh, I don't think the tank comes out the bottom, guys. Looks like the tank might come up through the inside of the car. Oh, that's going to be special. See what I was talking about, rubber bushings? But you know, when you pick at them, they don't flake. They're still really, I don't know, the way the motor sounds and doesn't smoke and the bushings aren't flaking away. I'm thinking it might be okay to run for a summer. What's this? Oh, someone rigged up trailer lights with trailer hitch here. And trailer lights. Other than that, it looks pretty unmolested. I'm guessing the tank's got to come out through the top. That's what it's starting to look like to me, because this frame rail, this cross member goes underneath the tank. So, alrighty. Well, looks like I'm going to have to go through the inside. Alright, well, that's not going to be fun. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to move all that stuff. Alright, looks like I gotta clean the car out and start pulling those panels on the inside, and I'll get back with you in a second. Alright, well, I got the car cleaned out. Not good news. If you look back here, there's no way to get to the tank. See, not even back here. It's just, nope. So we got our battery box here. The tank is all the way back there. It's behind that wall. So I'm going to do a little internet research tonight, I guess. And so we might end up just having to try to suck that tank out and clean it out with some fresh gas, you know, just get it dry, and because there's fuel in it, it didn't dry up, so it's not like thick varnish on the bottom. But it smells like varnish. So, but we might just have to suck the tank out and put some fresh gas in it and go that way, because I'm not sure. I'll do some research. Well, I'll get back to you guys tomorrow.